Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope students you are doing good. Chapter number 1 introduction को डिस्कस करते हैं. Today lecture number 2 और टॉपिक हमारा uses and importance of statistics. तो स्टूडेंट्स मैं डिस्कस करूंगा आज के इस लेक्चर में some functions and importance of statistics. तो आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, अपना फीडबैक जरूर दें. तो let's start the topic of chapter 1 uses and importance of statistics. In the contents of this lecture, students, we have 2 points. First one is the functions or uses of statistics, and second one is the importance of statistics. First of all, I will discuss the first point, that is functions or uses of statistics. The first point of the functions of statistics is statistics simplifies complexities. Statistics present facts in a form which is easily understood. In statistics, every phenomena, every characteristics which is explained easily. In the second point, statistics present facts in a definite form. Numerical facts give more precise information than facts expressed in general terms. For example, the statement that 228 persons died in that air crash. This is the clear statement, that is 228 persons died in that air crash. If you can say that some persons died in that air crash, that is not the clear statement. So in statistics present facts in a definite form. In the third point, statistics simplifies comparison of data. Significance of a series of a data is better appreciated with another series of same kind. For example, an increase in the exports of a country during the year compared with the increase in the export of a country during the previous year. So in statistics you can compare of any results, any data. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया गया कि एक ईयर के अंदर जो है वो आपके पास एक्सपोर्ट की इंक्रीज जो है उसको कंपेयर किया गया प्रीवियस ईयर की इंक्रीज के साथ. तो दिस इज द कंपैरिजन ऑफ डाटा. स्टैटिस्टिक्स सिंप्लीफाइज कंपैरिजन ऑफ डाटा. In the fourth point of functions of statistics is statistics studies relationship among different factors. For example, the yield of a crop affected by many factors like the fertility of land, quantity of fertilizers used, and rainfall, etc. Statistics also studies such factors. In statistics कोई भी वेरिएबल जब आप डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो उसके साथ उसके many other factors जो है उसको अफेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं. तो statistics जो है also studies such type of factors, such type of variables. In the fifth point, statistics studies changes in the level of a given phenomena. For example, different commodities have different scales of measurements. In statistics, different commodities means कि आपके पास अगर कोई भी variables हैं different type के, तो वो different scales के ऊपर जो है वो उनको जो है वो measure किया जा रहा होता है. It is not possible to measure price changes for various commodities directly. Statistics provides methods of measuring such changes in terms of the common scale, namely इंडेक्स नंबर. तो स्टैटिस्टिक्स जो है वो इंडेक्स नंबर में आपके पास यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करके देता है तमाम वेरिएबल्स को एट अ टाइम जो है कॉमन स्केल के ऊपर. तो डिफरेंट कमोडिटीज हैव डिफरेंट स्केल्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट मींस कि आपके पास अगर डिफरेंट कमोडिटीज फॉर एग्जांपल व्हीट, राइस, शुगर, फ्यूल, मैनी अदर फैक्टर्स जो कि मैनी अदर कमोडिटीज जो कि आपके पास डिफरेंट कॉमन स्केल्स के ऊपर जो है वो गिवन होती हैं. तो इन स्टैटिस्टिक्स जो है उसको जो है वो आपके पास कंसिडर कर रहा होता है और उसके अंदर जो है वो चेंजेस को, उनकी प्राइस में चेंजेस या क्वांटिटीज में चेंजेस को जो है कॉमन स्केल के ऊपर जो है वो उसको चेक कर रहा होता है इन इंडेक्स नंबर के अंदर. इन द सिक्स्थ पॉइंट, स्टैटिस्टिक्स एड्स forecasting. Statistics also helps in forecasting. Statistics also studies trends of a given data and enable us to predict the future behavior of the data under given conditions. तो statistics जो है वो आपके पास given data की जो trends हैं उनकी lines of trend जो है उसके behalf पे जो है उसको discuss कर रहा होता है और predict कर रहा होता है for the future phenomena के लिए. In the seventh point of the functions of statistics, statistics guides the formulations of policies. Statistical data are essential for formulations of social, economic, and business policies. Statistical methods are used to collect reliable data pertaining to various fields of activity. Similarly, policies formulated by various government departments are based on reliable statistical data. So, students, statistical data are very important to formulate the social, economic, and business policies. And statistical tools or methods are used to collect reliable data. तो statistics जो है वो हमें guide करता है to formulate करने के लिए policies in every field. In the eighth point, statistics tests the laws of other sciences. Statistical data and methods are widely used in almost all the sciences. Numerical data are needed to state these laws in a scientific way. Validity of such laws is tested using statistical method. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग किसी भी लॉ को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए डेटा को कलेक्ट करते हैं और देन उसके ऊपर जो है लॉज को प्रिपेयर करने के बाद देन उसकी जो है वैलिडिटी को टेस्ट करने के लिए स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड्स को यूज करते हैं कि वेदर इट इज ट्रू और नॉट. तो दीज आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स. Now students, in the second point, I will discuss the importance of statistics. In the importance of statistics, statistics has come to play an important role in almost every field of human activity. There is hardly any field where statistical data or statistical methods are not used for one purpose or the other. For example, our arrival in this world and departure from here are recorded as statistical events. These are also called the vital events. Crops growing by farmers, goods produced by manufacturing industries, exports and imports, etc. All are recorded as statistical data somewhere and in some form. Statistics holds a central position in almost every field, and the importance of statistics is increasing day by day. In every field of human activity, the statistical data has been measuring, presenting, analyzing, and also interpreting the results of statistical data. Importance of statistics in every field. Statistics plays a very important role in every field. First one is the statistics and formal sciences. Formal sciences include logic, mathematics, statistics, and computer sciences. These subjects are also connected with statistics. Without statistics, we cannot conclude our results. In the second point, statistics and social sciences. The subject of social sciences are also connected with the statistics. Social sciences includes all those sciences which are related to the study of human behavior such as economics, psychology, sociology, political science and anthropology. These subjects are related to the study of human behavior and also connected with the statistics. In statistics, we conclude our results using statistical techniques. In the third point, statistics and natural sciences. Natural sciences has been categorized into two types, physical sciences and life sciences. The subject of the physical sciences are physics, chemistry, earth and space or astronomy. On the other hand, the life sciences includes biochemistry, microbiology, zoology, botany and ecology. Almost in every field of sciences, every field, statistics plays a very important role in formal sciences, in social sciences and in natural sciences. In the importance of statistics, I have a smart conclusion. In every field of sciences, statistics helps to conclude or estimate their results or finding of any phenomena that is under discussed. Statistics collect data of any type presenting in precise form, called tables and graphs, and analyzing by using statistical methods or techniques, and finally interpret their results. In this lecture, students, I have discussed 2 points about statistics. First one is the uses of statistics and second one is the importance of statistics. और इसको हमने काफ़ी डिटेल से डिस्कस किया importance को और uses of statistics को. इंशाल्लाह स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपसे मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा और आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है. अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर दें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़, थैंक यू.